The students of Baloling Elementary School and Baloling National High School. Aloha, this is batch 73. Running National High School. Yay! 69 tayo din elementary. Just high school, getway. But 69 elementary. Oh yeah, but 69 and then elementary and but 73 the high school. Oh, tama.
Ay, pari-pari, hindi ko nang tatak.
It's just a matter of number. Age is just a matter of number. Right? We are now around 300 meters away from our destination, Dipalo River, here at San Quintin, Pangasinan. And the scenery is so refreshing as we feast our eyes on the robust trees along the road with the decorative clouds on the bright blue sky as the background. We can already see from afar the majestic mountain ranges which serve as giant watchdogs looking down, watching over the long and winding river, which waters emanate from the mountains. Aloha! I'm coming down to the Dipalo River. We're here at San Quintin. San Quintin, Pangasinan. Residents here say that Dipalo came from the anecdote that in the olden times, a lot of people, women, young and old, came to the river with their palo-palo and batya, or the big basin. Palo-palo would be like a paddle, a small paddle, used by the laundry women to press and clean the clothes that they're washing. So their palo-palo and of course their batya is full of laundry clothes to be washed, bleached, rinsed, and dried up at the river, which is rich not only with its clear and running water, but also with rocks that form little waterfalls. The rocks and the stony part of the river also served as clothes dryer. The laundry men and women bring with them packed lunch, or a family member bring them food at about lunchtime, and they have a picnic over simple Filipino food right at the riverbank. With a panoramic view at the background, visitors and folks enjoy taking photographs of various poses, like high jumps, for a jump shot, for one. The sceneries around and heavenward amuse sky watchers, nature lovers and environmentalists, photojournalists, of course, nature vloggers like me. Guys, we have rice, pink rice, okay? And we have chicken adobo, organic chicken. So our chicken only eat leafy vegetables and corn bran or babang na mais.
Tapos,
Okay? Wow, this is
Pampulutan.
tapos. Oh, wow, it looks good.
and also adobo.
Oh, yeah. So if we
Adobo
have,
with egg.
if we have adobong chicken, we have adobong pork with egg. Wow, pork. Okay. And then we have impangat. Oh, yeah. Okay.
And this
Mango salad or mango tomato salad for our fried or roasted milkfish or bass. Ooh, it's yummy, yummy.
Adobo also. Panilo na
Yeah. Makilo na, wa? I like your binangat. At chikarsi. And this is pampano. Pinangat or paksiw. Paksiw na pampano. Oh, it's Filipino. Oh. Okay. And I think this is sinigang. Oh, this is one of my features in my vlog. Fish, shrimp, sinigang. It's also a Filipino bayan. Wow. And somebody is having a birthday, so this is the birthday cake. Chicken feet. But locally we call it Adidas. Tastes good. Adidas. Adobong Adidas.
Wow.